Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you this opportunity that just opened up to move down to Finland. And this one is an easier way to move to Finland because you don't need to have a job offer. Okay, so if you're old to the channel or if you've been trying to move abroad, right, you know that getting a job abroad is not the easiest, okay? Especially if you want to move to Finland. So this pathway I want to share with you does not require a job offer. There is no age limit, right? And applications are currently open and they're going to be closing in some days, so you should apply as soon as possible. So if you watch this video to the end, you're going to see how you can get it done. I will show you everything, step-by-step process, how to get it done. So if you have plans to move to Finland, you can take advantage of this opportunity. So you're going to be landing Finland in January of 2026, just 4 months away. You're going to be in Finland. And if you have dependents, you can go with them. So this is like super amazing. So please watch to the end. If you're just meeting, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Jackie and here I share information to open your minds to opportunities available to you abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you can see when I post a new video. And if you would like me to personally assist you to move abroad, please do send me an email. And please follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and we also have a Telegram channel. You guys should join the Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description box below. So please do try to join that channel or send me an email and I'll share the link to the channel with you because there is so much information I share on other platforms that don't make it to YouTube. So you should connect with me on other social media channels. Before we get into it, a very quick information. Do you want to make $1,000 every month? I have the perfect side hustle for you. Everybody can do this. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need to quit your job. It is an online business and one where you get to earn passive income every month forever. It is passive income because you're putting in the work just once and you're getting paid every month. This side hustle is becoming a publisher online, and you don't need to be a writer to do this because you're actually not writing any book. You're not editing any book. All you need to do is to buy these already formatted and edited manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. Buy your manuscripts from stackly.com and publish them on e-commerce platforms like Amazon KDP, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Lulu, and Barnes and Noble. So you're putting in the work just once. You're buying your manuscripts just once, publishing them just once, and then you sit back and earn every month for the rest of your life. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150, and 300 manuscripts. So feel free to buy any of these manuscripts that you can afford. I personally published the 300 pack of manuscripts, so I highly recommend that one. So if you want to go all in, then please go for the pack of 300, but feel free to purchase any one you like. You'll still get to earn passive income every month. And Stackly has been gracious enough to put together a free training for those that want to publish on Amazon KDP. And if you want to join an exclusive group of KDP publishers from around the world, please do send me an email after you have purchased your manuscripts and I will add you to the group. Again, it is www.stackly.com. All the links are in the description box below. All right, you're welcome back. So I want to share with you an opportunity to study in Finland. Finland is one of the top education destinations in the world. Finland receives thousands of international students every year, and they have different intakes all through the year. You can go to study a vocational course in Finland. There are several vocational schools in Finland that are even free, tuition free to foreigners. If you're old to the channel, I have shared so much about those vocational schools. Very easy requirements. From the age of 18, all you need to have is a secondary school certificate certificate. Yeah, that is not what this video is about, but just to let you know that this opportunity exists in Finland. So if you want to study in a vocational college, it's tuition free. Please check out the playlist I have for Finland. Everything I've done on Finland is in a playlist. I'll try to link it in the description box. But if I forget, just check the playlist column. You're going to see Finland and you see the videos I've done about that. Yeah. And you can also study in Finland for a bachelor's degree, a master's degree. They have English taught programs for master's, PhD, and that is what this video is all about. So Finland has 2 intakes every year. They have the studies that begin in January and they have studies that begin in September. Applications are currently open for January 2026 intake. So in 4 months, you could be in Finland studying. So you can choose to do bachelor's, master's, or your PhD. And one thing I should even mention is that Finland is very popular for bachelor's nursing studies. I know so many people that are pursuing a nursing degree in Finland. So you can also look into that as well, okay? So not just master's and PhD, you can also do your bachelor's, and the nursing program is really good and the requirements to enter is not so high, yeah? So when it has to do with applications to study in Finland, there is one particular website where you can just go and apply for everything, yeah? So all year round, every time you come here, there's something to apply for, but they have what they call the joint applications where you can apply to several programs with one application. So it is open right now. The joint application is open twice every year. So this one is open right now and it's usually open for 2 weeks only. It opened on the 1st of September. So 1 week is like almost gone. So please try to apply soon. But the good news is that the application is not so hectic and the documents you need to apply also is not so hectic, yeah? So what you need to apply is your passport. Then you need your academic CV, you need your certificates, okay? So whichever studies you're going for, you should have the previous certificates for that. What I mean is, if you're going in for a bachelor's degree, you should have your secondary school certificates. If you're going for a master's, you should have bachelor's and so on. And then you also need your transcripts, all right? And you need a motivational letter. And in some cases, or should I say most cases, you do need language test, yeah, depending on which country you're from. If you're a native English speaker, you don't need it. Like if you're from the US, UK, Australia, those countries, right, you don't need any English certification, but some other countries need it. And also there are some universities that don't require that as well. There are other ways to prove your English proficiency, like having a previous studies in English or things like that. But there are some courses that will insist that you put together your English test regardless of a previous studies in English. So bear that in mind. So for every program, you're going to see all the info. Let's just look at it. Yeah, let's look at it. So we go to studyinfo.fi and let's just see what it's here. This is the news about what I was talking about. The autumn joint application to higher education. It opened on the 1st and it's going to close on the 11th. Yeah, so it's even less than 2 weeks. So they had this press release before it came up. So you can look at application instructions, study programs available. You can also look at application form. I think we should just like go straight to what I want to show you. This is something you can always come and read by yourself, okay? But let's just see. What can we click on? Application instructions, okay. So you can also read this by yourself. I want to try to make this video very short, yeah? So how to fill in the application form in joint application to higher education. So this is it. If you read this, you're good. It's a very easy process, but I know that there are many people out there that may find this complex. Okay, that happens. And then there are also some people that may not really have the time to do it. So if you fall under those 2 categories where you can't send out your application by yourself, you can send me an email. I'm going to help you to apply to Finland, all right? I do applications, so I can help you with that. So just send me an email if you need me to assist you with your application. But if you want to do it yourself, this is how it's done, okay? So they've given information about the attachments. Everything is just on this page. Like if you just sit with this page, you're good, all right? So let us go to look at the joint applications. On a normal day, you can just come here, back to the home page, and filter your search for what you're looking for. So education type, What kind of education are you looking for? You click on it. Are you looking for university study programs? Are you looking for vocational training? Whatever it is you're looking for, you just click on that. And also application period, you see the ones that are open at the moment. Then the period of study as well, you choose what you want. So you can just come around, choose everything you want. The language of instruction, is it English you want? Well, let's just click English because of this, because let's just see the English program. So education types, let's also do hours right now. Okay, so application procedures, let us just go to joint application, since that is the one we want to apply now. You can see separate application here, but let's work with the joint application. So you can see how to apply to several programs at the same time. Yeah, you can apply to several courses in the same university. So you can see the courses available. This is Administrative Sciences, Sustainable Urban Development, Bachelor and Master of Administrative Sciences. So this is the name of the university, Tampere University, and all of that. So just scroll down, and when you see any program you're interested in, you can just click it to see the details about it. Yeah. So let us see. You can see bachelor's programs here as well, taught in English. Remember, I had filtered for English taught, yeah? So they also have bachelor's programs that are taught in English. So that is really amazing. So you can see the courses that are coming up. So you just have an idea of what you're going to be seeing here. On Master of Business Administration, Business Management, the fee is 12,000 euros, and they have scholarship from 0 to 4,000 euros. So if you get the 4,000 euros, you're going to be paying 8,000 euros for your tuition. So this is information about the program. So you can see the structure of the study. How is it going to be? So you can see if it's something you can cope with. Then you can also see the career opportunities for the course you want to go for. Then over here, we have contact persons. So if you have any inquiry, you can reach out to them, but I don't know how soon they're going to reply, being that the application window is so short. So just try and read up and just try and understand things for yourself and send in your application. So this is the University of Turku, or Turku University. Turku is one of the, I'm not pronouncing it so well. It's like Turku, something like that in their language. So it's one of the cities, the big cities in Finland. I think Turku is actually the oldest city in Finland, yeah. But anyway, so when you find what you want to apply for, you would click on fill in application form. Okay, there's read admission criteria here, very important. So you have to read that. So this is the eligibility. You just read everything. I don't need to show you that much. This is something you can really do on your own, because no matter how much I'm going to be showing you this, there are so many people watching who may not be interested in this particular course. So it's just good you come and just find your course yourself and see all that information. So you would click on fill application form. So you would need to create an account. Either you create an account, it's best you create an account and then send your application, okay? For this joint application, if you're applying to universities or the universities of applied sciences, you can apply to as many as 6 programs at the same time. So with one application, you're applying to 6 different courses, yeah? So it could be 6 courses in the same university or different universities across Finland. Yeah, that is why it's called the joint application. I hope you have enough time to go through this. This is for studies in January of 2026. The next intake, the applications is going to open like on the 7th of January. There are usually 2 intakes. So if you miss this one, that begins studies in January, like January you land Finland, you will be applying for the next one in January to land Finland in August, September. There are 2 major intakes, and the applications for January is the biggest. This one, not every course is going to be available. So it's not like you must apply to 6 programs. If you want to apply to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's all fine. But try and apply to as many as possible just to increase your chances of getting admission. So let me know what you think about this video. Do you like the opportunity? do you want to go to Finland? Do you want to see other opportunities in Finland, like vocational schools and things like that? Let me know in the comments, all right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and let us see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.